We just got a brand new Nespresso machine earlier this year, I think it was. It's awesome. I love it. It saves us many Starbucks runs. The only thing that I don't like about it is the Nespresso Vertuo pods are not easily accessible or available at different stores. Bed Bath & Beyond had some, and also Target, but they're only the Starbucks brand. So we found that it's best to order direct from Nespresso.com. We just got a huge shipment. It's this nice box, so it's like Christmas in a box for us. But you know, we did splurge, and we bought quite a number of pods. But we want to share with you what we got. There's some really cool ones for the holiday season. So let's see what we got here. And usually if you're on the site, you get like a coupon code for different things. So we did get a couple surprises for purchase if you buy like so many sleeves. Let's see. This is just our receipt. If you spend so much, you always get postage paid recycling package. So what we do is every time when the Nespresso fills up, we just dump the pods into the bag, save it until there's about 100, seal it up, and then just drop it off at UPS. So that's nice. Let's see, we got a good variety this time. We're trying some new ones. This one is caramel cookie. This is one of my favorites. This is a 7.77 ounce. So like almost like a mug size, but this one is really good. This one is an Audacio. This is also 7.77 ounces. That one is new for us. This is one of the holiday flavors. This is called gingerbread. So there was actually like a festive pack that came with 3 different flavors. There was a pumpkin spice gingerbread, which is this one, and a peppermint pinwheel. And I think they're all 7.7 ounces too. Yeah, 7.7 ounces. So here's the peppermint. This is the gingerbread. And then this one is, let's see if I can get it out. This one is the pumpkin spice. So I'm looking forward to trying those. Those are really nice. They give you some like flavor. You can just add a little bit of cream to it, and then you're all set. So we did get several of those. Pumpkin spice and pinwheel. I think we got 3 of each with that little kit. So those are all those ones. We got a really cool one. This one's a Puerto Rican coffee. This one is also, I think, 7.77 ounces. Oh no, this is a 2.70. This one was a little bit more expensive, but it's like an 11, I think, on the caffeine scale. So this one, it will really wake you up. So looking forward to trying this one. This vanilla custard, this is a really good one too. This is one that we've ordered before. It's one of my favorites. It's vanilla custard pie. It already has like that vanilla taste, so all you have to do is add just a little bit of cream. I like cream in my coffee. This is 7.7 ounces also. This one seemed interesting. This one's a little bit different. It's called Exotic Lamina over ice. So it's like a lemon coffee. This one is also 2.7 ounces. And it's one of the exotic blends. So you just brew this over ice. So I'm looking forward to trying that. This is a Mexican coffee. This one is, let's see. I think this one's also this one's a 7.7 ounce. And it does have the caffeine. This is like a 7 on a caffeine scale. So I'm looking forward to trying that. This is another peppermint. We did get some espresso. My husband likes espresso. Sometimes it's a little bit too strong, but this is good for like macchiatos. This one is an 11, a double espresso. Double espresso scuro. So I'm sure this will be one of Bernie's favorites. This one is Vivita. This one is rich in B12 to help support immune health. So this is another different one that we've never tried before. This is a 7.7 ounce. It's like a coffee mug, brew style. This is another gingerbread. These ones are new for the holiday also. This is a double espresso. It's called Infinitely. So this is another double espresso. It's a 6 out of 11 for caffeine. And this one is another one of my favorites that we ordered again. It's chocolate fudge flavor. Super good. The caramel cookie crunch and the vanilla custard pie. Those three are ones that we purchased in our first purchase from Nespresso.com. So those are favorites. They're really good. You should try those. And then we got, for placing an order of, I think it was 12 sleeves or more, you got a free gift, and you received these little mugs. So we got 2 of these, which are really cool. They're just little kind of white mugs that are really pretty. We got 2 of those. And then we got some Cantuccini cookies. They're like biscuits. So you can dip them in chocolate. They're almond biscuits. And then we got a box of 40 dark chocolates. So that was a nice little set. So we got 2 cups, some biscuits, and some chocolates. That was the free gift with purchase. And then these ones, let me see if I can open it. This is a barista towel. This also came with that little gift set. So it's a cute little towel. You can put it by your coffee maker. It kind of hangs. It's got a little loop so you can hang it there. It's got the Nespresso logo on it. So that was kind of nice. And then it also comes with, this is another gift with, I think it was the holiday pods. It's a Nomad travel mug. So Bernie likes to take his coffee to work. I work from home, so I can just come up. This is a really nice mug. It's got the Nespresso logo on it. It's a nice stainless steel mug. It's pretty heavy too. So that was a nice gift with purchase. And then you always get samples. So they gave us 2 samples. It looks like one is a Costa Rican coffee and one is a Colombian. So there are 2 free pods just to try. That is our Nespresso haul, and we're looking forward to trying them. So we're going to get one right now. Thanks for watching our video. We're going to get started and brew one of these coffees. So we've been waiting all day. We wanted to share our unboxing. Hope you liked our video. Hope you liked our channel. If you like this video, make sure to like it and subscribe. Thanks.